Okay guys, on this video I want to share with you how you can easily determine the right lot size for your trade. So before now we used to I usually use the Steno app. So this is how the Steno app looks like. You see, we normally use this Steno app, but of recent there is an update on the Steno app. You need to pay before you can use it. It's now paid. It's no more freemium. It's now premium. So here you can see on the screen they now have a 7-day trial. So there's a 7-day trial now. After these 7 days you need to be paying 5,870 naira per year. So it's a recurring fee. So there are some of you guys who are not even making so much money from forex trading, so paying this fee right now is going to be a challenge. So that's why I want to show you another way you can still calculate your position size, that is your loss size on your trade. So on this other one we are going to use my FX book now. So you can download my FX book app on your device. Then you need to sign up, then tap on the menu. The menu is on top here. Hey, ads everywhere, man. So the menu is up here, up there. You just tap on the menu. You tap on the menu and you go to calculators. See calculators, tap on calculators. Then on the calculators you have positions, you have margin, pip value, Fibonacci, pivot point. You can calculate all these things here, but for the purpose of this video we are going to be calculating our lot size. So your currency still remains USD. If you are using a USD account, you can keep it at USD. If you don't use a USD, tap this would drop down. Then you can now select which currency you want to use. You can see there's cars, Swiss francs, euro, pound, but for this example I'm going to use USD. Then up here you can see amounts to risk. Here you see amounts to risk. I don't risk by amount, I risk by percentage. So I'm going to tap risk by percentage, and that particular button is going to change right there. So I do risk by percentage. Let me take this off. All right, so risk by percentage. You see the interface now have changed. So we can choose it. You can choose your currency pair you want to calculate the lot size for from here. Right now it's on GBP USD. So let's say we want to do this for which page should we do for? Okay, let's say NZD USD. Then balance, your account balance, you input it there. Okay, let's say my account balance is 2,000 and I want to risk 3% of my account. I type in 3%. Then stop loss in pips. So let's say after doing my normal proper market analysis, my stop loss in pips is, let's say, 70 pips. I will input 70 pips. Then tap on calculate. Okay, so now this is the result. It's now showing me USD card. Amounts to risk is, so 70% of this my $2,000 account is 60 USD. If price hit my stop loss, I'm going to lose 60 USD. Position size standard lots is 0.08. that means you should use 0.08 on your account if you are using a standard account. If you are using a mini account, you can use 0.8. if you are using a micro account, you can use 8.5. so I guess majority of traders are using the standard account, so you use standard lots. Let me write this down here. Let me draw something so you can understand me. So see, this is the standard lots here. So you are going to use, for this particular trade now, you are going to use 0.086 lot size on your account. So that is how you actually use this. Let's do another example. Actually, let's do another example. Let's say this time around we want to know our lot size for let's say we want to do lot size for which pair should we use? Okay, let's use Euro NZD. So I tap on Euro NZD. Account balance is still, let's say let's change the account balance. Then let's say account balance is how do you call it? Let's use account balance is $1,500. Then we want to risk 2% of our account. I put in 2 there. then our stop loss in pips is, let's say euro NZD, let's say our stop loss is 140 pips. So I now do tap on calculate and that is the result there. It says I should use 0.03 lot size for that particular trade setup, and if I use 0.03 lot size, I'm going to lose $30 if price hits my stop loss, and that $30 is now 2% of my equity. So that is how you can use the position size calculator to on the my Facebook app. The app is my Facebook, so you can download this app on either your Android or your iOS and use it. So that is what I wanted to cover on this video. So once again, I'm Enabit Asan. You just make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you can connect me on Facebook. Just search Enabit Asan and this is my profile right here. So I'll see you on the next video.